Welcome to General Management major. My name is YJ Bao. I'm a professor based on Calgary campus. I'm going to share with you some interesting information related to our major. First, here's a short list of the core courses you're going to take. There are 3 core courses in our major, such as Introduction to Organizational Behavior, Managing Responsibly in a Global Environment, Management Policy and Strategy. In terms of the future job market and the salary level, we have some research result for you. In the past 12 months, we found that nationwide in Canada, more than 26,000 job postings that are related to general management major. Depending on your experiences, the salary level range from $60,000 to $99,000 in Canada. Some top employers, including Scotiabank, Bell Canada, and other government agencies. Most of the time, graduated with a general management major, you might be having the job title like business analyst, project manager, operations manager, office administrators, so on and so forth. We also check the data from the research company and we find out quite a similar situation in Alberta. In the past 12 months, we see more than 3,000 job postings that related to general management major. Salary level range from $62,000 to $114,000. Some top employers include the city government, energy company, and other departments of the government. Top job titles that may include the following: business analyst, project manager, account manager, senior business analyst, consultant, so on and so forth. Those are the basic information you might be interested in that related to our general management major. Make sure to ask us questions and send us your request. Welcome and thank you for listening.